Imagine standing before 500 judges, your life hanging in the balance, accused not of crimes of violence, but of ideas. This is the story of Socrates, the father of Western philosophy, and one of history's most famous trials. The year is 399 BCE. Athens, once the pinnacle of democracy, is recovering from the chaos of war and political instability. Socrates, a philosopher known for questioning everything and everyone, has made powerful enemies. His method? Asking probing questions to expose ignorance, a practice we now call the Socratic method. But his relentless questioning earned him accusations of corrupting the youth and disrespecting the gods of Athens. Was he a dangerous subversive or a scapegoat for a society in turmoil? Socrates faced two main charges: corrupting the youth of Athens, impiety, disbelieving in the city's gods, and introducing new deities. His accusers argued that Socrates' teachings inspired rebellion, particularly among his followers, including some who betrayed Athens. But Socrates claimed he was only encouraging critical thinking, a cornerstone of philosophy. The trial lasted a single day. Socrates chose to defend himself, speaking with his characteristic wit and irony. He began not by apologizing, but by doubling down on his life's mission, to seek truth and question falsehood. The unexamined life is not worth living. He argued that he was a gadfly sent by the gods to stir Athens from its complacency. Instead of punishment, he suggested he deserved a reward, a lifetime of free meals in the Prytaneum, Athens' Hall of Honor. Out of 500 judges, the majority voted to convict him, but the margin was slim. Socrates could have proposed exile or pleaded for mercy. Instead, he maintained his integrity, refusing to betray his principles. When the final vote was cast, the punishment was death by drinking hemlock. Even in his final moments, Socrates remained steadfast. He told his followers that death was not to be feared. It was either a peaceful sleep or a chance to meet the gods. Socrates' trial and death marked the tension between free thought and societal norms. His willingness to die for his beliefs inspired countless philosophers, from Plato to modern thinkers. His story is a reminder: truth and integrity often come at a cost. Would you have stood by Socrates, or would you have condemned him? Let us know in the comments below, and remember, the unexamined life is not worth living. Subscribe for more philosophical stories and thought-provoking content.